Good morning, children. This is your MSc book, Standard 3. And this is your MSc book, Standard 4. So here, for Standard 4, Chapter 11, topic name is sharing. And for Standard 3, Chapter 11, topic name is be cooperative. So this is same story, but chapter name is different. So we will continue our class. This is for both classes, Standard 3 and Standard 4. Story. Once upon a time, there were two brothers, Ramu and Shyamu. Once upon a time, there were two brothers, Ramu and Shyamu. Ramu is elder and Shyamu is younger. They worked together on their family farm. Ramu was married and had a large family. He had a large family. The other brother, Shyamu, was a bachelor. And other brother who? Shyamu. He was a bachelor. At that day's end, the brothers shared everything equally, their crop and the profit made from selling it. And at the end of the days, the brothers share everything equally because they are two brothers and they are working together. They are sharing equally their crop and other profit made for selling it. One day, Shyamu thought it is not right that we should take equal share. And one day, Shyamu thought it is not right that we should take equal share. The crop and money that I get my share is much more than what I need. And Shyamu thought that the crop and money which I am getting my share, that is much more than I need. So my needs are simple. So I took a sack of grain from his share and went across the crop field between their houses. Once there, he dumped the sack of grain into his brother's storehouse. And Shyamu took out a sack of grain. Sack means one bag of grain or a large bag made from a material or paper or plastic that is used for carrying. Like this one small bag. One sack of grain means one bag of grain he took and he went across the field between their houses. And once there, he dumped. Dumped means drop. He dropped the sack of grain into his brother's storehouse. He kept there. His brother's storerooms he kept. And meanwhile, the married brother thought it is not right that Shyamu and I should share the crop and money equally. And the other brother, the married brother, thought it is not right that Shyamu and I should share the crop equally. After all, I am married. Ramu is thinking that I am married and Shyamu is unmarried. So I have a wife and children. They can look after me in my later years. But Shyamu has no one. And the married brother thought that I have a wife and my children. They can look after me when I am getting old. But Shyamu has no one. No one can look after him. So Ramu took a sack of grain and dumped it into his brother's storehouse. See, he thought like that, and Ramu also took a sack of grain means one bag of grain he took and he dropped into his brother's storehouse, means Samu's storehouse. They did this every night. Every night they did it. Samu also take one grain of one sack of grain, and Sam also, Ram also, both they are exchanging. Both brothers were puzzled for years. For years they are doing like this. They could not understand why their supply of grain never grew less, and they could not understand because they are doing silently, and their supply of grain never grew less. Then, one dark night, the two brothers bumped into each other. Bumped means hit. In other words, by accident when you are moving. One dark night they are moving, means Sam also doing like this and Ram also. And one dark night they bumped into each other. They realized why their stock never diminished. They dropped their sack of grain and hugged each other. And when they bumped into each other, they realized, see the picture, they realized that why their stock never diminished. Diminished means decreased. And they dropped their sack of grain and hugged each other. Moral of the story: sharing refers to using something that one has jointly with others, like friends, siblings, or even strangers. Sharing is a spontaneous gesture of a kind and compassionate person. Sharing becomes useful in a situation where children are encouraged to share knowledge and work on something jointly and achieve a better result. Sharing news and gossip on TV stars, movies, cartoons, and common friends can be a lot of fun. And here we learn about their sharing. Both the brothers, they share their property or their crops or their money. By sharing, they are getting happy. And this is useful for them.